Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can render your videos on CapCut PC. It's actually pretty simple to do. You're just going to right click on the timeline or on the video. I'm just going to do it on the timeline itself, select render, and you can select either the whole timeline, the in video, the out video, or you can even delete the rendering cache in this option here. I'm just going to select whole timeline. I don't have a lot of disk storage, so I can't really render it, but you can just render it because you obviously would probably have storage than me, but you're just going to right click and select render, and that is pretty much how you can render videos in CapCut PC. Before exporting them, I think it just makes it a lot better. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.